Okay, we're going to take some ham biscuits. We're just going to okay, we got our 2 blocks of cream cheese in there, and we're gonna just put our sugar in here. Don't worry about the ingredients because I'm gonna leave it in the description below, so don't worry about none of that. Okay, we're gonna blend this up. Okay, we're gonna add this in 1 egg. Okay, we're going to add in our 2nd egg, like that. Okay, we're going to add in some lemon extract. And we're also going to add in some vanilla extract. Okay, we don't got no sour cream, so that's why I add the extract in of the lemon. Just some buttermilk, another thing that helps. Okay, we're just going to pour this all in. I'm going to put some butter in there, and we're going to put some brown sugar. We're going to melt this, come back. Okay, now we're going to add some cinnamon. And then we're going to whisk this up very good. Right there, it'd be about perfect. We're just gonna... Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven for about an hour and come back. Check that out. That is our cinnamon roll cheesecake. We're gonna put this into the ice box to get it cooled down quicker, so we can cut us a slice and take a better look at it. Look at that. I swear to God, it smells wonderful. Okay, take a look at that. What we're gonna do is a taste test. Oh, that's so good. That is delicious. Very delicious. Oh my God. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. If you enjoyed my video, hit that subscribe button and don't hit the notification, and I will see y'all next time. That is good.